hell do you want to change that?
So the goal of this video is not to say the F word. We're installing the one components dropper post, 180 mil droppage. I said the F word. All right, boys, we're back. We're getting rid of this old giant piece of trash. I'm installing the new OneUp components 180 mil dropper post here on the giant stands.
Is that bike stand? What kind of bike stand is that, man?
Well, this is actually a Mike Ferrier Customs. I built these bad boys. 2 pieces of steel. And if you want to get yourself one, just let me know in the comment section below. Valentine's Day special. Watch it come out the tip there.
Let me hold it for you.
Hold it, hold it.
Just watch it, watch it, watch it.
Get ready for it.
This Valentine's Day.
This is aircraft cable, right?
You ready for this, boys?
Look at that, look at that. I can feel it, I can feel it coming.
You feel it? Oh, it's coming.
Oh! So we set up the wire. It's a little bit too long, we gotta cut it, but we need a measurement.
What do you need? 1/4 of an inch? Mountain bikes are pretty expensive, so I like to use high quality tools to cut my equipment here. Oh, she sparked! We're getting speed here, boss! So our attempt with my other tool didn't work, so we're just gonna go back to the proper tools here, and still not working.
This is strong cable.
Yeah, and it just destroyed my tool doing that. Pull the cord.
This one?
Yeah. Pull the black. Pull the black. Yeah. Both of them together, pretty much. Yeah. Okay, that's.
Like, what the is that smell? Did you wipe your ass?
And just like that, boys, we're ready to send her. Got the bikes out today. Dom, how much snow we got here today?
About 1/4 of an inch.
You'd say so, eh?
Yeah.